Hi friends, good evening. So I just want to give you an update about this seratone selling installation. So we just completed the installation of a cornice, pre-painted cornice on the ceiling. Yeah, as you can see there. So that red color is, the specific name is Wardens. Anyway, today is Wednesday, 23rd of December 2020, and the time now is 7:45 p.m. or evening. Yeah, the only remaining I need to do on this particular job is, that gap between, this gap here. So I have some strip that I'm gonna put in here, as well on the others, other joint. So I'm going to do this on probably 26, because tomorrow we're going to our daughter's house in Parnell. So basically it's my time off, our time off. Yeah. So at the same time I'm going to put paint on those screw holes. I'm going to put, I will paint it with white as well. Yeah. To my subscribers, to my viewers and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope everyone's okay. I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Please take care. God bless. And bye for now. And see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.